Hello students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you all in my online class of 7th. Today we will continue with our chapter number 6, Simple Linear Equations, exercise 6b. But before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel, so whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. And don't forget to write your name, class and section in the comment box for daily attendance. Let's start with quick recapitulation. First one is equations. An equation is a statement which states that two expressions are equal. Here you can see 4x plus 5 is equals to 5x minus 7. Two algebraic expressions are combined with equal to sign. So this is an equation, right? Next is simple linear equation. An equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. That is called simple linear equation. For example, 7x plus 8 is equals to 18. Here you can see only one variable is there and that variable x power is 1. So this is called simple linear equation in one variable. Now today we will continue with exercise 6b, in which we will do word problems based on simple linear equations. For example, twice the number decreased by 22 is 48. Find the number. So first we have to convert this statement into a simple linear equation and then we have to find the number. So for that, first we have to let the number be x. Then according to question, twice the number, that means 2x, decreased by 22 means minus 22 is 48, means equals to 48. Now minus 22, when we will transpose from left hand side to right hand side, we have to add. So 2x is equals to 48 plus 22 will be 60. 2x is 60. Then x is equals to, when we will transpose 2 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to divide. So 60 by 2 is 30. Means value of x, that number will be 30. Now come to exercise 6b, first numerical. A number increased by 5 is 16. Find the number. In this type of numerical, first we have to make equation, right, according to the statement, and then we will solve. So according to the statement, a number increased by 5. So first we have to let the number be x. Then according to question, what they are saying, a number means x increased by 5 means plus 5 is 16, right? Now we have to solve this equation. So just transpose 5 from left hand side to right hand side. It will be 16 minus 5, that is 11. So the number will be 11. Is it clear? Now fifth numerical, the sum of two consecutive numbers is 45. Find the numbers. The word consecutive means continuous, right? If first number is 1, then other will be 2. Then next will be 3, like this. So if let the first number be x, then other number will be, what it will be? The next number will be x plus 1. Right? First number is x, then other will be x plus 1, because they are asking for two numbers, so two numbers will be x and x plus 1. If they will ask for three numbers, then third number will be x plus 2, right? Fourth number will be x plus 3. Clear? So now according to question, make equation. The sum of these two numbers is 45. So x plus 1 is equals to 45. Now solve this equation. X plus 1, when you will open bracket, then x plus 1 will come is equals to 45. Now x plus x is 2x plus 1 is equals to 45. Now when we will transpose 1 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to subtract. So 2x is equals to 45 minus 1 is equals to 44. Here 2 is with multiplication with x, right? So when we will transpose, we have to divide. So 44 by 2, it will be 22. So this will be the first number, right? So first number will be x, that is 22. Then what about other number? Other number means second number will be x plus 1. So that means 22 plus 1 is 23. So two consecutive numbers whose sum is 45 are 22 and 23. Is it clear? Seventh numerical, divide 360 gram of burfi into two parts such that one part is 50 gram more than the other part. Find the weight of both the parts. So in that case, first let weight of one part of a burfi be x gram, then the weight of other part of a burfi will be 360 minus x gram, because total is 360 gram. So if one part is x, then other part will be 360 minus x, right? Now according to numerical, make equation. What they are saying, one part is 50 more than the other part. So if one part is 50 more than the other part, this part is already 50 more. So when we will equate the equation, we have to add 50 on other part, right? So equation will be x is equals to 360 minus x plus 50. Now solve this equation, transpose minus x to left hand side. So here it is in negative, we have to add. So x plus x will be 2x, 360 plus 50 will be 410. 2x is equals to 410. Now 2 is with multiplication with x. So when we will transpose, we have to divide. So when we will divide, 205 gram will come. Value of x will be 205 gram. That will be the first part, right? Weight of first part of the burfi. Now the second part will be 360 minus x. So it will be 360 minus 205, that is 155 gram. Now 10th numerical, if two sides of a square are given by 2x plus 9 and 3x minus 7 centimeters, find x. We know that all sides of a square are equal. So these two sides will be of equal measurement, right? So according to question, 2x plus 9 is equals to 3x minus 7. Now transpose 3x from right hand side to left hand side, we have to subtract. So 2x minus 3x is equals to constant term. Just transpose from left hand side to right hand side, we have to subtract. So minus 7 minus 9, right? 2x minus 3x will be minus x, and minus 7 minus 9 will be minus 16. Cancel out negative signs from both sides. Value of x will be 16 centimeter. Clear? Now 11th numerical. Raman is 6 years younger than his brother. The sum of their ages is 28 years. Find their ages. So here first we have to let Raman's brother's age. Let it will be x year, right? So Raman's age will be 6 years younger. So that means x minus 6, right? So according to question, they are saying next the sum of their ages is 28 years. So that means x plus x minus 6 equals to 28. Now open bracket, when we will solve, x plus x will be 2x. When we will transpose minus 6 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to add 28 plus 6 will be 34. Now x will be 34 divided by 2, right? So 34 by 2 will be 17 years. That means x means Raman's brother age will be 17 years. Then Raman's age will be 17 minus 6, right? So it will be 11 years. Next, sum number 13. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. Now again they are asking for consecutive numbers. Consecutive means continuous. But they are saying odd numbers. So odd numbers, if first number is 1, then other number will be 3, then 5, 7, like these types of number. If I will let first number be x, then other number will be, I have to leave x plus 1 and then I will write x plus 2. So this is the second odd number, right? So this is the second odd number. And what about if I will ask about third number? So it will be x plus 4, x plus 2, x plus 4, right? But they are asking for two numbers, so two numbers will be x and x plus 2. Now next they are saying the sum is 56. These two numbers sum is 56. So according to question, equation will be x plus 2 is 56. Now open bracket, when we will add, x plus x will be 2x. 2x is equals to transpose 2 from left hand side to right hand side. We have to subtract. So 56 minus 2 will be 54. 2x is equals to 54. Then x is equals to 54 by 2, 27. First number will be 27. Then what about the other number? Other number will be x plus 2. So that means 27 plus 2 is 29. Right? So two consecutive odd numbers will be 27 and 29. Clear? Now I am giving you some numericals. Do in your classwork notebook. PDF of this home task and today's work is also available in description below. If you have any query, then you can write in comment section. Okay, bye bye, take care.